But before we get into that big announcement, happy Pride Month, everybody, and to the few subscribers who I know are my friends, welcome. Good to see y'all. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is a very, very important announcement, but yeah, it's very, very important. So we're going to be introducing dragon puppets into the channel. Don't worry, we'll put it on a separate playlist just for y'all in case you don't like anything else on the channel and just want to be here for the dragon puppets. That's fine. I really don't care. Do what you want, buddy. Do what you want. Anyways, let's get into it. Yeah, that was the entire